there or something. Still clear sky. Wow! I looked out the window. Only reason I know about this is I looked out the window looking for, because you could possibly see the Northern Lights tonight. Only saw them Friday night, but saw that. The only thing I saw on Friday night was just a line, maybe 2 lines in the sky. No color though. Holy! I see lightning. No. I sound more like gay Michael Jackson. I didn't sound like a woman. Pop. There's still people up. Evidently by the neighbors. Having people over. That's where that old trailer used to be. In 2022. Videos from 2022. I'm a lot more yelly, louder in those videos. I'm a lot louder in my videos from 2022, 2021. 2023 started toning down a bit. This one I shouldn't be talking much because people like to go off on me for being scared about a little bit of gray in the sky. Either that or they complain about me going in my house. Like, what am I supposed to do? Leave the camera out here? With a potential tornado and this thing's dead and you don't get nothing from me no more? It's just so stupid, ridiculous to me. It's like when the sirens are going off and you're in a trailer park, obviously I'm gonna go like, oh no. Obviously I'm gonna be like that because there's a dang tornado. One almost fell down on my mom and she was on the 9th story in a building. She didn't even know what was going on until the alert came on her phone. There was something going on where she was. So obviously I'm gonna freak out, and also I'm in a trailer. So next time you want to comment like that, wait till there's a tornado warning and get out of your penthouse and walk down the street. Sounds like a good idea to me. Maybe you'll learn something. Your thick skull. Anyways, that's my 2 cents. I'll stop that now. I don't like acting sour. I've been sour all year, so. I will say it is better than last year, somewhat. It's kind of cold. Oh, that's their air conditioner. I was like, what is that water spilling? I'm gonna look around the house for a minute. I'm inside. There's a skunk outside. I don't like the way that wind's blowing. See all the smudging? That's why I don't like filming through this. But I'm not gonna get sprayed by a skunk. That's not worth it. Still windy. Did not think the battery was gonna die that fast. Oh, Athena. She is. I think the thunder's gone. There's only a bit north of us. I hear a train. Forgot to do the manual focus. I'll be out here. Christina. I will go back inside. You can see the branch moving in the light over there. I'm telling you, I will go back inside. I will identify as going back inside the house. She scared me. She's right there, you can't see her. With the dang camera. Yeah, it might be dead. The storm. It looked like it was gonna whoop something. There's just lightning over there. Stuff. Oops. It might be dead. Well, at least I got you some thunder. That's cool. Uh-oh. That's a cell. Didn't do the right settings yet. Holy cow. Ooh. Get out of my face. Rude awakening. Nice out here. I woke up perfect time. Probably just got my dang address on camera. Oh well. Ridiculous. Right back. Had to change the settings 5 minutes later, I think. 5 minutes later. I'm getting back. Almost fell up the stairs. There's lightning over there somewhere. Come on. Flash, do something. What's that? That's spinning a little. So is that. Okay, well, I got that. You can see the rain over there. Okay, so that's it. It kind of just went past us. The part that was gonna hit us. It's like it turned. It went like, nope, nope. That's exactly what it did. So I might have to conjoin these two storms. I got one last night. So thank you for watching this compilation, I guess. Because nothing's ever good now. Thank you.